Okay, so we are about to go pick up my second new MacBook Pro. Hopefully this time it has everything that I want and need on it, and there's no mistakes, and it just goes really well. Because this is already just getting way more difficult than it should have to be to get a new laptop. Like, quarantine is making this hard for me. God dang it, this laptop better work. So let's go get it.
So we are here at the mall and it looks sketchy. It kind of looks like we're here to do some type of illegal drop-off, but really we're just here to get our MacBook.
I'm about to freak out because I just got an email saying thank you for picking up your order today, and I haven't picked up my order yet. Last time it didn't come until after I picked it up. What if they gave my laptop to someone else? That would be cray cray. Oh my god, I see laptop bags coming. Okay, I gotta put my mask on.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Rose's Raw Reality, where today I am going to be opening my new MacBook. So I got a MacBook like 2 days ago, and the one I got did not work out. So I had to upgrade from a $3,500 laptop to a, oh it's killing me, $4,700 laptop. But this time it's gonna work. This time it's gonna do what I need it to do, and I am excited to open this baby. So, let's open it. My new MacBook. What? It's time to open this box after I take a puff. So, we are going to, do they not have like the little tab on it like they did with the other one? It's okay, I got scissors over here. Clip this edge up. Ooh, I feel like a kid during Christmas. Except I bought it myself and it's way more expensive than any of my gifts ever were. This is heavier for sure. Oh my god. Oh, that was on there tight. Okay. I know that like it was only like 3 inches smaller, the other one I got, but 16 inches is just so much bigger. Like, what? So I pull it up like that, and yes, okay. Watch this be silver. It's not. It's okay. All right, so they have this protection on here too. Let's put it down for a second while I get out the power cord. And I mean, I don't really need this. It just has like a little manual, some stickers, basic information that I personally do not need. I like this because you literally just pull and it comes off super easy. So we got this off, and then I feel like I definitely could have used something better to like get this off because it's kind of like stuck. And I think instead of plugging in with this, I'm actually going to use the extension cord that I have. I did not buy a new one because the old MacBooks came with an extension cord. You didn't have to buy it. So I'm going to plug that in for now. Oh, this is all like tangled already? What? Alright, so I'm going to plug this in. On this side, it's time to start the magic. Okay, no, that. Oh my god, this has such a big trackpad. I have not had a 16-inch before. I've always had the 13-inch. This is exciting and new for me. Why is this not turning on? Did they give me a dead one? The other one I literally opened after buying it 2 days before that, and it turned on, and this one's dead. It's dead. Oh my god, that's so crazy. I don't think it's gonna let me turn it on at this low of a thing. Oh god. So yeah, we're gonna have to let this charge for a minute. Dang. Just dang. Like, I was super excited. I was ready to get this started. So I'm gonna let this charge for a minute and then we'll be right back. All right, so I think my MacBook is charged up. So I'm going, seriously? It's not? What? It has to be. Really? No. No way. Is this plugged in? Yeah, it is. What the hell? I'm gonna figure this out. Wait, I'm gonna switch these real quick. And then I'm gonna put this on this and just plug it in directly behind my desk, and maybe that will work. Well, I guess we're waiting a little bit longer to turn this on. This has to be a joke. Anything starting in there? You know what? Maybe I should read this box. I mean, I don't really need this basic information. All right, let's take a look. I'm just gonna. I was right. It's supposed to start up right when you lift the lid. I lifted the lid, and nothing happened. What the hell? No, no, not this one too. No, this is not happening. Like, just. No. I don't understand. All right, it looks like I have button. Is button a word? It is probably not a word, but I have got a dud, a non-working MacBook, a MacBook that does not even turn on. It's a bad situation. Yes. So, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and of course subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can see when I post my update, because best believe I am going back there and getting a working MacBook. No matter what it takes, I am going to get what I paid for, which is a MacBook that works and I can use to make videos and other things that you do with a MacBook. So look out for that video, and I will see you all next time. Bye! I'm going back to the Apple Store right now. Like, what if this doesn't turn on? What if I get another dud? Oh wow, this is just crumbling. This is not working.